In a world filled with vibrant fruits, colorful vegetables, and aromatic beverages, a fascinating discovery has been made. It turns out that the secret to a long and healthy life might just lie in the diverse range of nutrients we consume. A groundbreaking study, published in a prestigious scientific journal, followed over 120,000 individuals for more than a decade. The results were astonishing. Increasing the variety of certain compounds in our diet could significantly reduce the risk of developing serious health conditions. These compounds, found in plant-based foods like tea, blueberries, strawberries, oranges, apples, grapes, red wine, and dark chocolate, were shown to have remarkable benefits. Consuming around 500 milligrams a day was associated with a 16% lower risk of all-cause mortality, as well as a roughly 10% lower risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and respiratory disease. That's about what you'd get from 2 cups of tea. But here's the twist. It wasn't just about the quantity of these compounds, but also the diversity. Those who consumed a wider variety of these compounds had an even lower risk of these diseases, even when consuming the same total amount. So, instead of sticking to just one source, it's better to mix things up and enjoy a range of these nutrient-rich foods. For years, we've known that higher intakes of these powerful bioactives can reduce the risk of developing heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and neurological conditions. Different types work in different ways, some improving blood pressure, others helping with cholesterol levels and decreasing inflammation. This study was significant because it indicated that consuming a higher quantity and wider diversity has the potential to lead to a greater reduction in ill health than just a single source. The importance of diversity of intake had never been investigated until now, making this study very significant as the findings align with popular claims that eating colorful foods are invaluable to maintain good health. Eating fruits and vegetables in a variety of colors, including those rich in these compounds, means you're more likely to get the vitamins and nutrients you need to sustain a healthier lifestyle. In fact, the first ever dietary guidelines for these compounds were recently released, recommending increasing their consumption to maintain health. This study provides inaugural evidence that we may also need to advise increasing diversity of intake of these compounds for optimal benefits. So, the moral of the story is clear. Embrace the rainbow of plant-based foods and let the diverse range of nutrients within them guide you towards a healthier, happier life.